Hi guys, so today I'm gonna make my jiggley slime into into cloud slime. So I have a pamper right here. It's not just a pamper. It has like fake cloud inside. So yeah. And here's a container of the slime. And here's the top. You just put this and tie it here like that, and then close it. And that's how it works. And I'm gonna go back to school, and so just so you guys could know, that's a bad news for me, and maybe for some of you guys it's a good news. Sorry, there was a mosquito in my classroom. So I'm just adding in some of it right now. So yeah, let's get started. But I'm still sick. My mom is going to pick me up. Not late, like early at school. She's gonna pick me up early at school. I don't know if she is gonna pick me up early to school, because I am so sick that it comes off and then comes back. Comes off, comes back. The fever always gets off, almost like it's almost like gone, and now it's like I'm full of fever. Okay, so I didn't like that, so I'm just going to add it in. But it has like paper of the pamper, but that's okay. I can take it off. I can feel them. I can take it off. I can take them off. So yeah. We'll feel some here. Right here. There we go. And that's enough. All of the stuff all of the fake cloud is, I don't know. She's over there.
Are you serious?
Here's some big pieces. Here's a big piece. Why are you going in circles? You're waiting for Mom. That's what you're doing. You're so little baby. Don't you guys have homework to do?
I don't. Porque meu filho é temprano que não me viu.
Okay. It has to have a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna go to sleep, guys. Hey! I have to clean my mess.
Going, Donna? No! Go! In.
Oh, shoot. Sorry, guys, I didn't have to. Hey. What time is it? Can you pick me up early? Yes. I hate my class. The only thing I love is my teachers. No, like the only teacher I have is that sweet girl, is Miss Suniva. And I love her. No. I have to read up. Okay, guys. See you later and have a good day. And you know what to do to this video, like always. Bye. Peace.